How to find Roblox servers with low ping. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you how to discover the Roblox servers with a low ping efficiently. To begin, ensure that you're on the computer and navigate to the Roblox website. Unfortunately, this method is restricted to using your computer's web browser, and if you have a phone with a browser supporting Chrome-based extensions, that could also work. Firstly, select a game where you wish to play on a low-ping server and access the Servers tab on the right side. Typically, it only shows the number of the players without additional details. To view the ping of these servers, you need the BT Roblox extension, which is better than Roblox, which is Better Roblox, and search for BT Roblox or the Better Roblox on the Google or the Chrome Web Store. Install it by clicking the Add to Chrome button or using a compatible web browser. Once active, return to the server list and refresh the page, and you will see the ping number next to each server on a specific game. Select the server with the lowest ping or the one you prefer based on the player count and join. I trust that this guide assists you in finding the Roblox servers with low ping. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more quick, easy tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.